Hello lovely people, who's up for another What's in the Box video? I'm pre-recording this one. Every time I go live, it doesn't matter what happens, it's really quiet and then all of a sudden got caught again. So this is pre-recorded, but it's going out just as if it was live, so just pretend. This one might not be quite as exciting because it's a box from Groves. Groves is the haberdashers that we get all the bits and pieces from. I can't remember what there was. I know there was a lot of knitting needles. There were some pom-poms, yeah. Oh gosh, this is a big box. Great big thick box. Right, oh, boxes. Boxes of boxes. Right. So we have got, these pom-poms. We've got these pom-poms are gorgeous. These are Trimmets pom-poms. They're so reasonable and they're so fluffy. I got some in the neutral colours that everybody's screaming for. There's a little one, little soft one. That is for the tea cozies. That's to go out on the tea cozies. Mustard. That's a gorgeous colour. Gorgeous colour. I haven't got these on the website. If you would like me to put them on the website, they do. Can we take you and show you? You can see them on the second. They do quite a lot. 2 different sizes and lots of different colours. They're amazing, and they've got ribbons on the back to change them. So here's the big size. You can see the big size. I've been catching up with all the practical yarn stuff more than the fancy bits and pieces. But if you think you'd like that on the website, then just give us a shout. Oh, this is so gorgeous. They're so soft. They've got a ribbon on the back, so you can take them off, put them on various other things. So that's pom-poms. What's this? French knitter. See, I'm hopeless. I forget what I've got in the box. This is the trouble with wholesale. You can't just have 1 or 2. You have to have the whole box. They usually come in 5s or 6s. Can't get this open. Oh, it's not having it. Not having it at all. Oh gosh. Oh, it's still in a box. These are the old-fashioned. Oh, it's a little bug. It's a little bug. It's a little caterpillar. Oh, they're different colours. Yeah, they are. They're different colours. The old French knitting that we used to do as a kid, or you put your nails in the end of the... It's a Shane, come to deliver the parcels. Wave at the nice people on Facebook, Shane. See ya. See? Told you, we're about to stop. I know, it's one of your favourite people, isn't it, Ed? He's too busy to stop and pat you. Right, more pom-poms. More pom-poms. Ooh, this is an interesting one. What's this? Crochet hooks. Oh God, I'm desperate for crochet hooks. That's what the whole order is about. Crochet hooks. You just have to spend 150 quid. I always spend more. Crochet hooks. Crochet hooks. Crochet hooks. It's not. Crochet hooks. Crochet hooks. Row counters. Run out of them. I don't know where they all go. 1 minute I've got a box full crochet hooks, and then they've all gone. Row counters. Oh, it's heavy. What's in that one? Oh, double-ended needles, safety stitch markers, More pom-poms, more pom-poms. Ordinary knitting needles. Oh, these are nice. Pick these up. They're selling them off. I can put these on the website in the accessories department. I only got a couple. They are shawl pins. You put it over your shawl and then you put the stick through and the stick sits on and through the shawl. Two different type shawl pins. Some little jump rings to make you some more of those pretty stitch markers that go down so well. And that's it. It's not quite as exciting as yarn. Still fun in its own right. Ooh, they're putting everything in cardboard boxes. Look at this. They used to come in plastic bags. Now they all come in cardboard boxes. That's interesting, isn't it? Same thing. So, quite sure how that's going to hang on the slat wall because I put it that way around instead of that way. Anyway, my little fun bag of goodies. That's what I've got come in. I shall spend the afternoon putting it on the website and getting the website up to date. Let me know if you want all the pom-poms added because that will take me a couple of days to get all that done. And I'll see you soon.